Greetings and welcome to Simple Cooking Made Simple. I'm the Carolina Chef. So when you have bananas like this, what you want to do with them, you don't want to throw them away. These things help out so much. So per banana, per medium banana is usually about a half of a cup. So what you want to do, we want to peel these and place in these little Ziploc bags, get all the air out, and then freeze them. So you can use, like if you're making, say, banana bread, usually 2 to 3 bananas will be enough for banana bread. With one bag, you have enough banana, and these will be fine to freeze and then put in your banana bread, and you got banana bread. You can also use these bananas for your smoothies. And when they're frozen, you can use them for kind of like the ice part of the smoothie, but also bananas are great to help sweeten things. So what you want to do is just get you a bag and then just peel these like you normally would. And if there's any bad spots, you can take them off. And normally what I'll do is usually we'll put 2 in a bag, but I have 5 bananas left. So one bag will get 3. So just stick those in there, seal it most of the way up, mash it down, get all the air out, label it, date it, so you're using the oldest first, and then boom, you have bananas for smoothies, or you have bananas for banana bread, banana muffins, whatever you use bananas in. This is a perfect way so you're not wasting. Hopefully this little video was helpful and you liked it. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, share with your family and friends, leave us a comment. Let us know what you want us to do next. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.